What's up, fam? It's your girl Shereen Nicole back with another review. So in today's video, I want to talk to you about these sponges, y'all. These are plant-based sponges, and this is by the company named AIRNEX. So let's go ahead and take a look because it said it's made with cellulose and coconut fiber. So I'm interested in seeing what is this about, because I've never heard of plant-based sponges. So let's just read a couple of things that's going on here on the back. So it says, welcome to AIRNEX, where eco-consciousness meets superior cleaning performance. Okay. Our mission is to make it easy for you to care for your home while also caring for the environment. Join thousands of happy customers and enjoy our outdoor-free, super durable sponges made with cellulose and coconut fiber. Go ahead and use them on your coated cookware, pans, countertops, dishes, and more. Okay, because y'all know when you're scrubbing those pots and pans and that stuff be caked on, honey, you're like, you don't want to mess up your coating on your pan. It's kind of hard to get that stuff off. And I just feel like this will make a really good look. So let's go ahead and open this up and get into what the sponge actually looks like. So as you saw from the cover, this is a 16 pack, and I'm surprised that you can use this on your non-stick cookware and it's not gonna take anything off. So as you can see right here, this is the rough side and it's made with great fiber. It doesn't feel like it's going to tear your dishes up, okay? And then you've got the nice spongy side over here on the other side. So another thing that they have here, it says, why choose AIRNEX? Long-lasting, odor-free, I like that, that's a plus. Non-scratch scrubbing, woo woo. Maximum absorbency, ergonomic shape. Yes, it is. I like the shape. It's cute. And it's giving coconut vibes. I mean, just look at it. Coconut right here, the shell right here. Do you see it? Do you see it? Latex free and eco-friendly. So I'm definitely here for that, y'all. I think this is gonna make a great addition to the kitchen. I feel like this is gonna work really well, especially like I said, I don't wanna be scraping up my brand new pots and pans, you know what I'm saying? And just coloring them and taking off the paint, okay? So I feel like this is gonna be a really good look. They smell nice. I don't know why I smell everything, but they do smell nice. Let's go test it out. So right here is my kitchen. I do have a pot in here and I'll pick that up and show you guys. And I absolutely love the color on this pot. So I did let it soak. I had SpaghettiOs in here. So I like to soak my things out before I go ahead and wash them. But let me just get some soap on the back, get some water going. And this is pretty rough. It feels pretty heavy duty, like it's gonna take care of what it needs to take care of. Now, I know it doesn't have much residue since I soaked it, but we're here to see if it's going to remove any paint. And I love these, okay? So I'm gonna be upset. Now, I'm scrubbing hard too. I don't know if y'all could tell, but I'm definitely scrubbing hard to see if I can get anything out. And of course, see if it will take off any of the paint on my brand new pot. So far it's looking good, y'all. What y'all think? I think it's looking exceptional. It hasn't taken off any of the paint. So let me go ahead and rinse this out and I will be right back. All right, y'all, she is all rinsed out and let's take a look-see. So y'all see? Not one scratch on her. She actually made the back of this pan or pot look a lot better. So I'm here for that. Check it out, it's still shining. It did not take not one scratch of coat of paint off of this non-stick pan. So I am absolutely here for this. Definitely tested and approved, baby, yes. All right, y'all, so I hope this helped and I will see you guys in my next review. Bye.